Now to the Supreme Court making news. The justices handing down a decision that could upend hundreds of January 6 prosecutions, and it could also help former President Trump's defense in his federal election interference case. ABC's Em Nguyen joins us now from the Supreme Court. Good morning, Em.
Good morning, Gio. Yeah, in this consequential 6-3 decision, justices ruled that federal prosecutors overstepped when charging a former Pennsylvania police officer, Joseph Fisher, of obstruction for storming the U.S. Capitol on January 6th. Now, the High Court also ruled that the Justice Department needed to prove a connection to the destruction of records and documents, not just the blocking of a proceeding. That decision could impact hundreds of other charges against pro-Trump writers who physically tried to stop Congress from certifying the 2020 election results. Prosecutors may even consider reopening some of those cases. And in a significant case on homelessness, the High Court sided with an Oregon town's law that bans people from sleeping outdoors. That decision may have broad implications for how homelessness is dealt with across the country. Justices also denied ex-Trump advisor Steve Bannon's request to remain out of jail while he appeals his case. He's accused of defying a subpoena amid a congressional January 6 investigation. Bannon is set to report to jail on Monday. That as we await the release of other opinions for the remainder of this term on Monday. That is what we are expecting. At this point, there is still that big one, whether or not a former president has absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for those official acts taken while in office.
And that will be a consequential decision on Monday. Em Nguyen, thank you so much. We appreciate it.